Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me just a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright my peeps, now we're gonna make some Jamaican Rasta pasta or jerk shrimp pasta. I have shrimp and I'm gonna use some salmon to put at the side. I'm gonna use this rigid panini pasta. This is about 2.5 cups, okay? And over here I have some hot water. It's boiling, and I'm gonna add about half teaspoon salt, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna pour my pasta. And once you put the pasta in the pot, you want to give it a stir. All right, this is gonna take about 12 to 15 minutes to cook. You just want to check it. Here I have some bell peppers of all colors. I have some frozen one and some fresh cut one. All right, and this is how they call it Rasta pasta because of the green, yellow and red, Rasta color. And I'm gonna put some onions alongside right here. I have half of onion, okay? I also have some frozen scallion. We're just gonna put that aside for now. Rasta don't drink anything from the cow, so I'm not gonna put any milk or cheese to this today. I'm gonna show you my way and my style. All right, so we're gonna go in with some Jamaican fish seasoning. It's about 2 teaspoons. I will leave a link to this. This is my Jamaican pimento and I grind it. All right, I'm gonna put like just a little bit, 1/4 teaspoon. Give it some good flavor too. I'm gonna go in with some paprika, about a teaspoon, some black pepper for taste, some garlic powder, that's my black pepper, some onion powder. I'm gonna go in like half teaspoon. You don't want to overdo it. And now I have my blended seasoning. I will leave a link, and I have some jerk seasoning. Walker's Wood is the best one, and this one is hot and spicy. You can go for mild. I'm gonna put a little bit now, like a teaspoon, and then later I'm gonna add some. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna rub up everything. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, extra virgin, just to kind of marinate everything together. Gonna put a little bit more paprika just for color. All right, so you want to put 2 teaspoons. So you want to give this about 5 minutes, and then we're going to prepare the oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin. And now I'm going to fry up the shrimp and the salmon. Give the shrimp 2 minutes, and I'm gonna give the salmon 3 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, you want to flip over the shrimp. You don't want to overcook them, all right? Now we're gonna flip over the salmon. All right, and now we're gonna remove the shrimp. All right, now we're gonna remove the salmon. Look how nice it is, guys. Yeah. Another tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna saute all my vegetables. Now I have some garlic paste. I'm gonna put some, or you can use minced garlic. I'm going to put a teaspoon. I also have ginger paste. I'm going to put another teaspoon. And I'm going to put another teaspoon of my blended seasoning. And I have some frozen scallion or green onion. I'm going to put some. And you want to mix this up. I'm going to put some more black pepper, a little bit of salt for taste, you see the goodness here, guys. All right. Look at that goodness. You don't want to overcook it, alright guys? You don't want it too soggy. So after you saute this full of ginger and garlic, oh my goodness. Alright. I have half cup of this coconut milk. You can use this one if you want, alright? So to this one, I'm gonna fill it up of water, okay? Or with water to make it 1 cup. So we have 1 cup and we're gonna add it to this. Oops, I gotta mix it out, guys. Let's put a little bit more just to mix out this goodness here. You don't want to leave any. All right. So a cup and a little bit, maybe cup and quarter. And now I'm gonna add my Maggi stock or Maggi cube. Ooh. Boy guys, it's tough like a rock. You can't break. Anyhow, finally. Alright, the leftover seasoning, I'm gonna put it in if I can get it out. Alright. And I'm also gonna add about half teaspoon of the jerk. And we're gonna let this come to. Look at that goodness, guys. And now I have about a tablespoon of cornstarch. This one. You can add a tablespoon of flour. Now instead of using water, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this coconut juice or coconut milk. Alright. And I'm going to mix it up. This is going to make it thick and rich. Alright guys. So mix it out good. And then we're going to add it over here. And you want to give it a mix. Can you see the goodness? You see it start thick up? Look at that. Oh mama mia. You see the goodness there, guys? So there it is. You don't have to add any cheese or anything else to it. Look at that. I'm going to turn the stove down, give this a minute. Alright, now my peeps, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my pasta. And you want to stir that in. Can you see the goodness there, guys? Oh, mama mia. And I took the bottom part off the tail, okay? And I'm going to add it in. A little bit more of my green onion. I'm going to put all of it for garnishing. And it was in the freezer, okay guys? So you like it soft. I'm going to just mix this in. See the goodness here, guys? Alright, I'm going to give this about a minute and it's good. Alright, it's all done now, guys. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley flakes for garnishing. That's it. Stove off. And we're going to serve up some. All right, we're gonna serve up it while it's hot. I have my pasta bowl over here. Oops. Oopsie. I'm gonna set my piece of salmon right about there. And then the rest of shrimp, I'm just gonna add it. Garnish with a little bit of parsley. My Jamaican Rasta pasta is served, or jerk shrimp pasta. Okay, oh my goodness, no milk added here, guys, and no cheese. This is yummy, scrumptious, delicious, awesome. And look at my salmon, oh, fully cooked and juicy. Yes. All right, my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you. Ooh la la. Look at my jerk shrimp. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Try this recipe and tell me what you think. Go and taste it for you guys. So good. Oh my goodness. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Oh, mamma mia.